Guido, all set?
Pit stop, boss.
Lightning.
Ah, hello, chick.
Check it out.
E fai attenzione!
So, big deal.
Well, you know, I just figured you might want to get acquainted with the view. You know what I mean? You know, because you're going to be spending a lot of time behind me. In the race. We're going to be in the race, and I'll be ahead of you, and we'll be behind you. In the race! Is it me? Is that what we're not getting?
You literally created the worst joke in tuning history.
Nelson, zoom in. Ready 16? Take 16.
Daryl car trip here at
Snow track.
Speedway for the start of what's going to be an amazing Piston Cup race season. Lightning McQueen, you better watch your back.